Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an adorable little guest at my backyard bird feeder, Squirrel. Now, let me tell you, these squirrels have a unique love for sunflower seeds. So, I decided to create a special feeder just for them to enjoy their favorite treat. I'm sharing the moment with you all because I find it absolutely hilarious. Watch as this little squirrel tries to get the sunflower seed. Oh my goodness, it's so cute and funny at the same time. I can't help but laugh every time I see it. I hope you're enjoying this heartwarming moment as much as I am. If you have any tips on how to switch things up for these adorable squirrels, please let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fun content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.